As you can see right here, my channel actually got restored after making this appeal. So guys, kindly watch to the end of this video to see how I did it. So before I recovered my account, this was the first email I got. It shows here that I have been permanently removed from YouTube because of spam, deceptive practices, and scam policy. But knowing fully well I didn't violate any of the rules, I am going to appeal this decision and I know that I'm going to be restored. So now kindly go to your web browser and follow these steps carefully. So the first step, you need to type and search for the keyword YouTube suspended support. So now they are going to show you a website. That is the first website. That is their official website. You have to tap on their official website, which is the first website. So now when you get to this front page, the first thing you need to do is to change your account and make sure that you are signed in with the Gmail account used in opening your YouTube channel. So now once you're signed in, this is how you should fill it. Your full name should be your full YouTube channel name. Now for your email address, there's no need for you to change that one since you're already signed into your YouTube channel. So you move to the email address they can use to contact you. You can fill in any email address that is not the same with your YouTube channel address, so that they are going to send you a message to tell you whether they have suspended your account or not. So now for the YouTube channel URL link, in case you don't know how to do it, you can reach out to me and I'm going to help you out with that. But if you have your YouTube channel link, just paste it. And for the appeal text, this is the appeal text, and I'm going to show you the full appeal text at the end of this video. So you copy it and you paste it. Then after you paste it, you tap on submit. So once you tap on submit, you should just wait for a few minutes. After a few minutes, you check your Gmail and they are going to unsuspend your YouTube channel. By the way, if you haven't liked this video, please like the video and subscribe. This will tell the YouTube algorithm that this video is actually a good one and they are going to show it to more people. Thank you so much for watching. I make videos on how to grow on YouTube and other platforms. So hit the subscribe button and I'll see you all in my next video.